Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Avkash and welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you do like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps me a lot. If you guys haven't seen my videos, you guys can go and check my channel and see my videos from there. And today's video is gonna be how I style my hair. And my hairstyle, you can say it is a typical Asian hairstyle. So without doing further ado, let's get into the video. For the first step, I am gonna blow dry my hair because my hair is wet right now. You can see. Firstly, I'm gonna blow dry my back hair. I hope you guys don't mind because the sound this hair dryer produces is super loud. So yeah, let's blow dry. Done with blow drying back of my hair. Now another step is partitioning your hair. How I partition my hair is I have this kind of comb which has a pointed end. I'll just take this and partition my hair where I want. So I'm done with partitioning your hair. My hair, after taking shower, it automatically makes a partition because I have been doing this hairstyle since very long. So my hair, it naturally gets partitioned here. If you guys are not familiar with this hairstyle, you have to partition it yourself. And you have to be super careful while blow drying your hair. So I have partitioned my hair over here. So how I am gonna use the hair dryer is I'll just blow dry my hair in this direction. You guys can see how I have blow dried my hair on this side. After blow drying your hair in this direction, your hair will also be in that direction automatically. And for other side of my hair, I am gonna blow dry my hair in this direction. So I did blow dry my hair in this direction. Now let's blow dry my hair in upward direction. So we are basically done with the hair, but some of you guys might have a super straight hair. So for that we are gonna use a straightener. Now I'll show you how to use a straightener. So take a little bit of your hair and roll it inside. And you will get this kind of hair. And again do this. Done with this side. This is super easy. Now let's do the same for the other side. I'll just take this much of my hair, this much, and I'll do the same. I'll take the hair and roll it inside. Again, take bit of your hair now do the same for all the hairs. Now we are done with curling our hair. What we need to do is just use our hand and set the hair. We want this hair to go in this direction, so we are gonna do this. And for the other half, just comb it backwards with your hands. Now we are done with the hair. This is how I do my hair every day. Some of you guys might say that after blowing dry your hair and after using the straightener, it looks the same. Yeah, I agree with that. My hair looks the same after using blow dryer and straightener. I just use the straightener to show the guys who have super straight hair. I am done with the hair. And what hair products that I use to set my hair is I use this Gatsby hair wax. After applying hair wax, what I use to set my hair and lock my hair in place is this hairspray. This is also from Gatsby. It is on level 7. I am done with this bottle and I am again using this bottle. Actually, you can get this hairspray on bigger bottle as well, but I don't know why I couldn't find any, so I am using again this smaller one. This works super well. These are the two products that I use to set and lock my hair in place. So this is all for today's video. I hope you find this video quite helpful for you to style your hair. And yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, keep supporting. Make sure you do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me. And if you guys haven't watched my other videos, you can go and check on my channels. You can find other videos as well. So yeah, bye bye.